So hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a while that I've been putting any videos. So बहुत दिनों बाद आया हूँ यार YouTube पे. So I think I'll be able to continue from now onwards because I'm working on something. मतलब फिलहाल तो मैं अभी पढ़ाई चल रहा है. I'm doing my Master of Science in Computer Science. I'm doing it from Wolf University. In this series, what I'm gonna do is मैं जो अपना पोर्टफोलियो बना रहा हूँ मैं उसी को रिकॉर्ड और डॉक्यूमेंट करने का ट्राई करूँगा एंड आई विल बी पोस्टिंग वीडियोस ऑन व्हाट प्रोजेक्ट्स आई वर्क ऑन एंड स्टफ. तो फिलहाल टुडे वी जस्ट गना मेक अ काउंटर प्रोग्राम विच इज़ अ वेरी बेसिक प्रोग्राम. वहाँ पे विल सी कि विल हैव 3 buttons वेयर विल हैव डिक्रीज बटन एंड इंक्रीज बटन एंड अ रीसेट बटन. तो इंक्रीज करने से जो नंबर होता है वो इंक्रीज हो जाएगा और डिक्रीज करने से वो नंबर जो है वो डिक्रीज होता जाएगा. आई नो इट्स काइंड ऑफ वियर्ड दैट इट हैज़ नो यूज और रियल लाइफ पर्पस, बट दिस इज हाउ आई एम स्टार्टिंग. दिस इज माई काइंड ऑफ माई फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम. And moving forward, as soon as I start making more programs, I'll be documenting them in this series of my portfolio series. And along with that, if the channel continues and if I get good response from you people, I'll also try to bring in more kind of videos, different kind of videos as much as I can, because this is something productive which might help people and which might even motivate most of the developers out there that yes, it can be done from scratch, it can be done from very basics, and how from basics we can continue to a bigger level. And this is my terminal. I have a curved display of MSI and this is a flat display. The upper one is an IPS one and the lower one is a VA panel. This is a 34 inch, the above one is around 24 inch. So the links to all the documents and stuff will be given in the description below. My GitHub repository में आपको दे दूँगा. And so without wasting any time, वीडियो को ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं करते हैं. Let's continue with the video. So let's begin. Let's get on with the video. First of all, let me show you how it looks. Okay, I've already made this before, so this is how it looks. It has an increase button, it has a decrease button, which is as you increase, the number goes high with a green counter, and as you reset, it comes back to black, 0. As you decrease, it goes to negative, that is with a red. As you increase, it goes to 0, and again to positive. Okay, decrease, reset. So this is how our program is going to look. So let's close this one. Let's make a new folder here. Make a new folder. Counter program, and let's open it in code. Alright, let's open it in code. Open it above. So yeah. So first of all, we'll create a boilerplate. As you remember, we had 1 counter and 3 buttons, right? Now before that, let's name this as counter program and link our style sheet, that is style.css. also link our JavaScript, that is script.js. I think that is linked up. And now let's move on to make our thing. We have a label. Okay, we have a label. Let's give it an ID of count label. Okay, and this starts with 0. Fine, we came here with a 0. Now let's create a div button container. Okay, and let's make 3 buttons. I'll just fast forward it. But you can see some little changes here. So this is our HTML page that has been made. Let's move on to making the style sheet. I'll just fast forward this one as well. Let's. Alright, we need to color the buttons as well, right? So we have to give these buttons a class so that we can color them at once. So dot button will have a class naming buttons. for this. Let's copy this. So alright, I'm gonna use the hover function so that whenever I hover over this, the color of this becomes a bit pale, or the color a bit fades. So this is gonna do, or this can be done using this aquamarine. As you can see, as we hover over this button, the color changes. If this was not there, nothing changes. Now this is the effect. This is called a hover. So the style sheet is done, the counter is ready, the decrease button is ready, reset and increase button is ready. Now we need to go for the JS, that is the JavaScript file. Let's move on and code this file. So I'm going to use constant functions here, and let's see how things go. Okay, so here comes the interesting part. What we want is, as we click on this increase button, right now nothing is happening. What we want is, as we click on this increase button, the number should increase, right? And as we click on the decrease button, it should decrease, and reset पे इसको 0 बन जाना चाहिए. So what we're going to do is make a function that is, first of all, increase हम करते हैं decrease button के लिए. Decrease button dot on click equal to a function, and that function will do the job. What job? Count minus minus, मतलब काउंट को नेगेटिव करना है, और हमें काउंट लेबल का जो भी टेक्स्ट कंटेंट है, टेक्स्ट कंटेंट को हमें करना है इक्वल टू काउंट 1. Now as you see, this it's happening, right? But the increase button is not working. For the increase button we have to do it. For increase button इसको copy करते हैं. Alright, so it's ready. The decrease goes negative, reset goes 0, increase goes positive. Now what we want to do is, if this goes positive, we want it green. If this goes negative, we want it red. The reset should be always 0. तो उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, if statement का यूज करेंगे. That is, if count is less than 0, what we want here is the count label dot style dot color, that we will give red. Now, as you see, those negative red, but increase is everything is red now, because हमने इन दोनों को सेट नहीं किया है अभी तक. अब तो सारे ही रेड हो गए हैं. So what we have to do is, increase के लिए हमें count greater than 0 yes, greater than 0, or we want the count label dot style dot color equal to green, right? And all set. So this is the program. If we close it and we rerun it, you can see we have a counter, we have a decrease, we have a reset, we have an increase. Increase, decrease, reset, increase, decrease,
So that was it from my side. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया तो लाइक करना. एम करते हैं 20 लाइक्स के लिए, विच आई डोंट थिंक कि मिलेगा, लेकिन नहीं भी मिलेगा फिर भी आई विल ब्रिंग इन मोर वीडियोस नेक्स्ट वीक मे बी, और मे बी सूनर. तो नेक्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट के लिए वेट करना, वेट फॉर माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. अगर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर देना. एंड दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड. टेक केयर, बाय बाय एंड पीस.